So now we will see how to install Sublime on our PC. So what is Sublime? Sublime is basically a text editor which you can use for many languages. It also has Python, C, C++, Java, but mainly people use it for HTML, CSS and JavaScript or web development. So today we will see how to download and install Sublime on a Windows 10 64-bit operating system. So first you will see the sublimetext.com. Just click here. Now this is a cross-platform app, so it's available for Windows. It also says here it's available for Mac, Windows and Linux. And if you are using Windows, it will automatically detect. You can just click on download for Windows here. And if you are using Mac, it will show download for Mac, Linux, vice versa. And if it doesn't show it properly, you can just click on this change log. And here you can download it for whatever operating system you have. Okay, so Sublime Text 3 is the latest version, and we also have the Sublime Text 3.2 and all. We also have the older versions up here. Okay, so what I'll do is you can click here Windows 10 64-bit, or I'll just directly click here and the download will start. Once you have downloaded it, go to your downloads folder. You will see this Sublime Text here, x64 setup. x64 means for 64-bit. We'll just click here, click on yes, and it asks for a destination. If you want to change it, just click on browse and change your destination. I just leave it as it is. Just click next, and I'll click on install. Now I'll start installing, and that's it. Sublime Text has been installed. Let's open up and check. We have Sublime here. Okay, so we have installed Sublime. Now you can start your coding. So let's check if it works. We save it on our desktop. Let's give it a name, index.html. Downloads. Let's save it here. Let's check if it works. So you can see that it automatically detects and it changes its color because it knows that this is an HTML document. Okay, and you can see that I didn't have to type this. As soon as I typed out HTML, all the other code was typed out, and this boilerplate code was there on its own. Yeah, this works. We have successfully installed Sublime on a PC. You can use it for either web development, Python. You can also do, let's see how many languages are there. So you can see, once you click on this at the bottom of your screen on the right side, you can see these are all the languages that are supported by Sublime Text. Okay, so you can select any of the language that you want, and you can use Sublime for editing that text. Okay, so that was it, how you install Sublime on your PC. If you like my videos, please do subscribe and also like my videos. Thank you.